Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, German for Beginners. So if on the last video, I taught you how to tell time in German, in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to tell dates in German. So if you happen to be in Germany and you want to make some appointments or you're being asked which date a specific event happened, then you should be able to address that, or you should be able to say those dates in German. So without any further ado, let's begin. So in telling dates in German, we use two articles, and those are der und am. So let's take it der first. Der erste, the first. Der zweite, the second. Der dritte, the third. Der vierte, the fourth. Der fünfte, the fifth. Der sechste, the sixth. So far as you can see, from first to sixth, they all have the same ending. And not just up to sixth, but up until to 19th. Der 19. The 19th. From 1st to 19th, we will all be using the same ending, which is the te. From 20th to 31st, we will also be using the same ending, and we will only be adding one letter for that. Der 20. The 20th. Der 30. The 30th. Der 31. The 31st. So as you can see, from 20th to 31st, our ending is ST and D. So let's try to put this one in sample sentences. Morgen ist der 4. Juli. Morgen ist der 4. Juli. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. Heute ist der 21. Mai. Heute ist der 21. Mai. Today is the 21st of May. And now, let's try to use the article am or on in English. Am ersten. Am zweiten. Am dritten. Am vierten. Am fünften. Am sechsten. The same as the first one, up until to 19th. Am 19. Now from the 1st to 19th, they all have the same ending, which is TEN. Now from 20th to 31st, they also have the same ending. Am 20. Am 30. Und am 31. Which means the additional letters are just S, T, E, and N. Now let's try to put this one, the sample sentences. Normally, the question which would make you use the article am will be the question when or wann auf Deutsch. Wann fliegst du nach Deutschland? Wann fliegst du nach Deutschland? When are you going to Germany? Ich fliege am 3. Januar nach Deutschland. Ich fliege am 3. Januar nach Deutschland. I am going on the 3rd of January to Germany. Wann ist die Feier? Wann ist die Feier? When is the celebration? Die Feier findet am 11. Juli um 16 Uhr statt. Die Feier findet am 11. Juli um 16 Uhr statt. The celebration will take place on July 11 at 4 p.m. Wann beginnt der Deutschkurs? Wann beginnt der Deutschkurs? When does the German course start? Der Deutschkurs beginnt am 5. August. Der Deutschkurs beginnt am 5. August. The German course begins on August 5. Wann treffen wir uns morgen? Wann treffen wir uns morgen? When do we meet tomorrow? Wir treffen uns morgen um 10 Uhr. Wir treffen uns morgen um 10 Uhr. We'll meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. Wie sind die Öffnungszeiten des Supermarktes? Wie sind die Öffnungszeiten des Supermarktes? What are the opening times of the supermarket? Der Supermarkt ist montags bis samstags von 7 bis 22 Uhr geöffnet. Der Supermarkt ist montags bis samstags von 7 bis 22 Uhr geöffnet. The supermarket is open from Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now you know how to tell time and date in German. Gut gemacht. Good job. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like the videos. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, please feel free to leave them at the comment section anytime. See you in the next video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!